Well, happy Fun Fact Friday, guys, where I share with you some of my frequently asked questions about the tools that I use in my kitchen and around my house. And this week, something that I have promised you guys, especially those of you doing the sourdough bread and are in the sourdough starter club over on Facebook. I'll leave a link down below, by the way. We are near, I think, 1,000 members now. It's crazy and so much fun. I love all of the pictures you guys are posting. Oh my gosh, they bring me so much joy, you have no idea. So many of you have asked me about the pots that sit on my stovetop, and I usually don't have all of them out. Usually this one is sitting out. Sometimes that one lately, because that's my new pot, but usually this one always sits out on my stove, just because I use it every day, almost every day. I cook almost every meal in that pot, but I also bake my bread in it. So, so I thought I would share with you guys, because you guys ask me about these pots all the time, and they're perfect to use for your sourdough bread. I use them from everything from roasting whole chickens, which is what I do with that one, and pork loin. This one, oh my gosh, I cook everything in this. I brown all my meat in this. I make my pasta sauce in this. I bake bread in it. And then my new pot over here, that I actually bought for soup, stews, and for bread. And then this one, I usually do all my little side dishes in this one. So any kind of vegetables. I also put my refried beans in this. I love this one. And this one I usually use almost every night as well. So real quick, I'm going to share with you where I bought them. And then I'm going to give you products that are extremely similar to this, and I will leave those in my Amazon affiliate link, which will be down below. I will list them, I think I'll list them like under kitchens or tools or something like that, where you guys will be able to find them anytime, but I'll leave direct links if I can for similar pots, because this one, and this one come from Aldi. So if you don't have an Aldi, which many of you I know don't have an Aldi, which breaks my heart, hopefully they will, you know, extend and get into every state. But for those of you who don't have an Aldi, Lodge has very similar pots. So I will try to find the Lodge equivalent to this. This is a Brazier pan, by the way. It's huge. It is marked up a little bit inside, but you know, eventually they all get marked up. I make all of my jams and jellies in this Brazier pot as well. It's really nice to film with for those of you who do YouTube videos, because it's a low profile, so I can set my camera up right here. And it's really easy for you guys when I'm making jam and jelly for you guys to see inside the pot. So I love making dirty rice in here. Oh, just so much. I love this, my favorite piece. So this is a Crofton. That is the Aldi brand. But like I said, I will find the Lodge equivalent to this. This is also a Crofton. Also used on the inside, but you know what, they wash up beautifully and I love them. This pot I think also comes in a dark gray, and I want to say this year this one came in a dark gray as well, and I think this one came in a dark gray. Now the inside of this one is all cast iron. It is lightweight, so it's really easy for me, especially on bad fibromyalgia days, to lift this. But I specifically bought this one to bake round bread in, and soup and stew, chili, anything like that in that one. Now this one back here is my oval, and I know Lodge makes a similar one to this, as well as Le Creuset. I will try to find, that one's expensive though, but I will find the links to this one. This is a 6 quart, and this is a Tramontina. Is it a Tramontina? I think that's how you pronounce it. I actually bought this at Walmart. So I will look on the Walmart website for this. And if I can find the exact link, I will. Now I bought this on clearance. Actually, my dad sent me birthday money. He didn't know what to buy me one year for my birthday, so he sent me money and he said, please buy something for your kitchen and something useful for YouTube. So I actually bought this at Walmart with my dad's birthday money, and I found it on clearance. It was half off. So I don't know if I'll be able to find this exactly on Walmart, at walmart.com. I bought this quite a few years back. I want to say it was like 4 or 5 years ago. So, but I love it. And it was my first Dutch oven, cast iron Dutch oven, enamel, and I absolutely love it. But I do know that Lodge makes a similar one, as well as Le Creuset, so I will find the equivalent of this so you can find it, because I know some people don't like Walmart and won't shop at Walmart, so I'll give you an alternative to that. But that's it, guys. This is what sits on my stovetop all the time. That is my Brazier. I'm not sure of the size, you know, as far as the width of it. It's a big one, but I think that it is a 6 quart. I'm pretty sure it's a 6 quart. I know some of you picked this up at Aldi when it came out during the holidays. It only comes out, I want to say, like twice a year, is it? I think. But I know a couple of you picked it up when it came out around the holidays this year, and I've seen some of your pictures on Instagram. I hope you guys are loving this pot as much as I do. It's my favorite. But that ends the mystery of those pots that sit always on my stovetop, that you guys see in all of my pictures or in all of my videos, because I usually always have them sitting around. I never put this away. Lately, because I've been baking a lot of sourdough, I've kept this one out and this one out, because I bake an oval loaf in this one and a round loaf in this one. This one sits in the cupboard right down there, so it's never too far. And this one, like I said, is brand new. I just got this. You guys saw this in a haul video recently. So this is new to me. I haven't been able to play with this as nearly as much as I want to, but I'm hoping to bake some bread in it maybe this weekend. So that is it, guys. If you have any questions, leave them down below for me. I will try my very best to answer them for you. But that is it. So I'll try to leave you the links. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And I will see you guys next week for another Fun Fact Friday. All right, guys. See you soon.